Hey everyone, welcome to Airdrop Pirates. Hunt every drop, miss nothing. Today I'm showing you how to join the xStocks Points program, one of the most credible airdrop opportunities right now. xStocks is backed by Kraken exchange and has already processed $25 billion in trading volume. Here's why this matters. They launched an xPoints program in March 2026. No official token announced yet. But in crypto, points programs almost always lead to token launches. Now let me show you exactly how to get started. Step 1. Go to the xStocks DeFi website. The link is in the description below. Step 2. Connect your Phantom wallet. If you don't have one, download it free at phantom.app. Step 3. Connect your wallet now to get a permanent 20% points bonus. This early adopter bonus lasts forever. Don't miss it. Step 4. Start earning points. Here's how the multipliers work. Just holding xStocks tokens gives you 1 times points every day. Lending on Camino gives you 5 times points. Providing liquidity on Radium gives you 7 times points. More activity equals more points. More points equals bigger airdrop. Now, is this safe? Yes, here's why. Kraken Exchange backs this project. NASDAQ partnership is confirmed. Over 185,000 holders already. Smart contracts are fully audited, and over $1 billion in total value is locked. My honest warning though, no official airdrop is confirmed yet. This is a points farming opportunity. Never put in more than you can afford to lose. Always do your own research. That's it, pirates. Click the link in description to join xStocks now and lock in your 20% bonus before the window closes. Follow Airdrop Pirates for daily free crypto opportunities. Hunt every drop, miss nothing. See you in the next video.